This is the VTech KidiZoom Smartwatch DX2. It comes in a variety of fun colors including black, blue, pink, and this purple one. This watch is very durable as it is encased in a rubber frame and the entire band is also rubberized, so it is suitable for kids as young as 4 years old. The watch also comes with a micro USB cable which you could use to charge up the watch, which already comes with a rechargeable battery inside. To turn it on, you'll first want to flip the watch over to the back. Here you'll see a very tiny little switch that you need to make sure is in the up position. You can slide the switch up and down to turn on off the watch. Once the switch is in the up position, you can press the home button located on the side of the watch. You can set the date and time on your watch. To access all the features and to navigate, the entire watch is controlled by the touchscreen. The watch comes loaded with features, minus Wi-Fi, phone, and Bluetooth options though. It includes 2 cameras, one in the front, which can be used for selfies, and one on the top side of the watch to take pictures of others. You can also record video and play back everything you have captured. There are also games, fun filters, a voice recorder, an alarm, timer, stopwatch, calendar, a built-in motion sensor pedometer, and a number of settings such as parental controls, wallpaper, and volume controls.